your 2015 Harmon Airs.
James Davison. Alice has been involved in NHS, NTA, FCA, a forensic helper, and she is an IB diploma candidate. She played freshman volleyball and golf and soccer for 2 years.
The daughter of Mike and Martha DEVRIES. She has participated in cross-country, track, and freshman basketball. In cross-country, she has been named all-conference, and in track, first team all-conference.
Is Brooke DeWitt. She is the daughter of Dennis and Heather Gates. She has been the student body treasurer and involved in leadership, NTA, FCA, and she is an IB diploma candidate as well as receiving an academic letter. Brooke has played volleyball for 4 years, lettered and for 2.
Next homecoming queen candidate is Miss Shelby Jordan. Leadership, A+, and is working towards a gold medallion diploma. She has also received an academic letter. In athletics, Shelby has participated in volleyball for 4 years, lettering for 2, basketball for 4 years.
Andrea Gordon is our 4th queen candidate. She is the daughter of Andrew and Lisa Gordon. She has been involved in NHS, pet band, jazz band, marching band, DECA, MTV News, and debate. Andrea has been named Journalist of the Year and received 5 stars in the last few years.
Candidate is Miss Autumn McNeil. She is the daughter of Angela Smith and Dylan McNeil. She has been involved in NHS, leadership, and is an IB diploma candidate receiving an academic letter. Autumn has played volleyball for 4 years, track for 2 years, and basketball for 4 years.
Activity involvement includes Interact, NTA, Leadership, Sage, NHS, and has been secretary 3 years and student body president. She's also an IB diploma candidate. Kennedy has received 2 academic letters and has been named to the Superintendent's Leadership Council.
Queen candidate is Miss Madison Warman. She has been involved in NHS, Interact Club, NTA, Leadership, and Student Body Secretary. She